Hello friends, thanks for joining today's class for proof of delivery in S4HANA ST. So what is proof of delivery? So let us understand the concept and then where in the SL flow the transaction occurs and how we'll configure in SAP. What are the steps and how let us also verify the process flow while doing a transaction in SAP. Okay, so let us understand what is the proof of delivery. So it is a critical supply chain function used to verify that goods have been received by the customer. So what you are verifying? Confirming the actual quantity received versus quantity shipped, and integrity crucial for inventory management and accurate revenue recognition. Billing control. So prevents billing until the delivery receipt is confirmed or reconciled. So end-to-end flow is you go to sales order creation, then you go to outbound delivery, then you do the PGI, then Fiori confirmation, then BFG. So here the process flow is sales order VA01 and outbound delivery. And you will have code transaction managing proof of delivery is BLPOD. Here actual receipt. You are getting actual receipt, then status update you are also doing. Deviation you are triggering to automatic goes to the trigger cancellation account if needed. POD confirmation is billing eligibility. This we have already seen. Resin code you have mentioned. What has happened to the differences. Then automatic questing correction. Okay. Tracking of overdue PODs, you can see BL POD queue, use the transaction for mass POD processing and monitoring at least. Then view all open deliveries for the customer receipt information. So let us do it in SAP. So for me, suppose there is a customer master, you can see that for this customer master, how will you enable the POD? So here you go to FLCU customer, go to change mode, go to sales distribution, so go to shipping, it is marked as POD revenue. Now save this. So for this customer, we are enabled POD. So what is the customer? It is 65000. Okay, now this your logistics execution. Logistics execution. Here you go to shipping. Go to POD, relevant depending on the delivery item category. So here you need to JTIN, and here it is marked as POD, relevant for POD. It is already marked. So what we need to do is we go for creating a sales order, APOR, and we will give this budget flow 50058 and quantity only 5. Now PP1, I should see this document is complete in all aspects. In completion log, nothing is there. Go for delivery. See, the schedule line is not confirmed on the 19th, so it was actually 27. So go for this picking. You can see this storage location is automatically determined. I'll go for picking and PGI. So once I do the picking and PGI, we'll go for display. So now I'll go for PF01. Here we can see this log. So POD Since POD relevant this is, so POD report back is not carried out, it's complete. So this is a control to prevent the billing before POD. So what is the key code for doing the POD? You can go for here, this transaction. And before going to this transaction, we go for VL POD. So this automatic confirmation so what we'll do is PL POD. Okay, do transaction for only single POD confirmation. You give this date, just tick here the date is there. So since we delivered on 27th, so we can do this. Suppose 27th they received. We can do this accordingly and give the region. So POD before POD quantity, POD date. So here just put here before giving the POD date, you have to give the quantity difference sales unit. So quantity difference is 1. And what is the region? Under delivery. Region is unknown. Don't know why it is 1 was not given. Okay. So the complete. And save it. So POD is now confirmed. So now BF01. What is the billing? Enter. So you can see this invoice quantity is 4. It is because the receipt has happened only for 4. Even the delivery has gone for 5. So that means 1 is lost during the transit. So that will be accounted separately. So here save. And you can see the billing document is 90096 is generated. So 03, if you go to this flow, document flow, you can see this outbound delivery is complete. We have completed for the, even it is delivered a 5 for 5. Proof of delivery has happened for 4. So here the business scenario is the product is delivered at customer. Once it is delivered at customer, they would acknowledge the quantity and also the any differences. Once it is confirmed, then only the billing will, actual billing will happen. Okay. So till that time, maybe we can take the help of proforma invoice and send it during the dispatch. Okay, save. It's already saved. So this is all about the POD, PLPOD concept. Okay. So POD relevance you are having in the customer master, also in the delivery item per setting. Thank you. Thanks for your time.